You'll have love at first sight with the 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 100,000 miles on the odometer. The Pacifica is the ideal family hauler. Loaded with safety features and tech-focused amenities, it's powerful, quiet, agile, and offers flexible seating configurations. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, power liftgate, backup camera, fog lamps, electronic stability control, third row seat, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, universal garage door opener, trip computer. When it comes down to it, is there anything more important than safety in a family vehicle? Drive the Pacifica.